Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making crunchy chin chin. Please make sure you watch to the end so that you will understand this video very well. So you have to sieve the flour first.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying
So in a
everything. See you in the
timbo,
next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my
flour,
head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel
this
weight
nutmeg,
pushing on my chest and it
but
squeezes
it's
the
optional.
silicate.
If you don't
Better
have,
change my
it's
mindset,
fine.
meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah,
Sugar,
are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I
a
believe.
pinch of salt.
I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of
Butter.
cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us
I'll
and
write
that's
down the
okay.
recipe
Well I
on the
just wanna be
description
happy,
box
how
so
to
you
get
see
there?
everything
Glad
there.
that you asked me.
And if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends and family. And for my old subscriber, thank you for your support. I love you all. So you mix it very well until it's like breadcrumb. You add milk. Use your hand to combine everything very well. Make sure you wash your hand before doing that. Don't worry, don't think it's too dry. It's not too dry. Just keep on kneading it. So this is the final look. Just knead a little so that it will combine very well and be smooth. It will be easy for you to roll out and cut.
To be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get it.
You can roll it out like this. If you don't have this rolling pin, you can make use of any bottle.
Change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays.
So I'm trimming the edge so that I'll get a perfect shape. You can cut to any size you want.
Purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
So I'm done cutting. I will spread it out. I'll make sure I separate it to be one. See the way I'm doing it. That's why I say watch the video to the end so that you will understand all the process. So here is the article. Make sure you separate them one.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really
So time to fry.
honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no
You
risk
deep
if you don't
fry.
try anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me.
Make sure your oil is hot before you add it to it so that it will not soak the oil. Don't worry about this foam, it's normal, okay? Always stir every time, every minute. Don't overstir so that it will not pieces. You will not have a pieces chin chin. So just use this method to use back of the spoon to knock the foam down so that it will not overflow out. Fry until it's golden brown. You know it's ready. You can take this with cool drink, snacks, anytime, any day, morning, afternoon, evening, night, anytime.
Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want.
So this is the outcome. So I'll continue with the remaining one. So that is how you do it until you finish all the dough you have. If you want to make in a large quantity, make sure you use this same recipe and just double it, and you have plenty of it. So this is the second batch. Always stir gently like this so that all the side will be well fried. My own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Comment, like, and share the video. That is the only way you can help me so that other people can see this video. Help me share the video, please. Just press the share button and share. In a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. So this is the outcome of our session. Thank you so much for watching. This is Fernando. I like to cool down and enjoy your snack. See you on my next video. Bye bye.